Welcome to the personal property tour for 55 Main Street in Upper Largo. Look at that view, isn't it stunning? So this is the view from your apartment. You're on Main Street in Upper Largo. It is the personal property tour. If you click on the link above, all the details about the property are there, along with the all-important price point. This is in a great location. It's a 2-bedroom upper apartment, really spacious living. You've got some original features as well that make it quite different. It's in move-in condition and it has these stunning views across the countryside and also Largo Law. If you think this one might be of interest to you, you can message me here directly. Likewise, you can reach out to the team on 01333 421 774. I'm just going to let you have a proper look at this view and then I'll take you on the tour. But isn't that stunning? It's just beautiful, isn't it? And this is the property here. So number 55 is the upper apartment. So you come up the communal stairwell and then you've got this welcoming area here as well, which is just wonderful. And then standing here, just look at that view. It's just absolutely stunning, isn't it? And you can see across as well to the bowling green and the countryside views. But it's just beautiful. And let's head on in. As we come in, you come into the entrance hallway. So we've got the vestibule in here. And I'm just going to pull this door too so you can see the original features that are there. How wonderful is that? So you've got that lovely red on the door and then the blue glass as well. Really nice, isn't it? Just such a spacious entrance hallway, isn't it? Nice to have somewhere where we can just offload everything, but just to have that detail in here as well, I think is wonderful. And let's head on in. It's quite something, isn't it? Such an open space. It feels lovely and bright. You've got these great high ceilings with that beautiful cornicing as well. But it just makes it feel so open and spacious, doesn't it? Now we're going to start with bedroom number 1, which is just in here. And again, this is a lovely sized double room. If I come around here, you can see you've got a wee seating area here. You've then got your bedroom area there as well. And as you can see, that's a large bed, plenty of space here. On top of that, you've got an area over there as well for your dressing table or your freestanding wardrobe. Really just depends how you want to set the room up. But it's a lovely spot, isn't it? And there's high ceilings with that lovely cornicing too. You also have a partial view as well, which is lovely, isn't it? So nice, very tranquil. And this is bedroom number 1. We're going to head back into the hallway. And again, you can just see the length of it. Some really nice detailing. You've got a really large storage cupboard here as well, which is fantastic. There's plenty of space in there. And then we're going to go into bedroom number 2, which is so tranquil. Quite antique pieces of furniture in this apartment as well as the modern, but you can see the amount of space that you're getting with that. I mean, that's a large piece and there's still plenty of room. Large bed as well. Still cabinetry either side. You've got a cupboard over here. You've got this lovely bay window. Look at that. With your dressing table area as well, your writing bureau. You could have your home office here, but actually there's a better place to do that because look at the space you have here. Isn't that fabulous? So they've created a seating area. Now you could potentially build wardrobes in there, but actually that would be a great spot as well if you're a home office worker. You've really got some good space there to do that. But what a great use of the space, isn't it, to have that seating area? But it's lovely, isn't it? Such a nice bedroom. And the high ceilings again, you've got this beautiful cornicing, you've got the detailing down the window, and just have that bay window as well. It's just such a lovely space. Feels very calming, this room, doesn't it? That's bedroom number 2. We'll come back out into the hallway, and you can see you've also got access to your attic space for your storage. We're then going to come into the lounge, which is a beautiful room. Again, antique pieces, large pieces of furniture, but it still feels lovely and spacious, doesn't it? It's a great sized room, and it comes around here as well. So you also have a seating area there, your TV could go there. But just the sheer size of this room as well, for me, you could have a dining table in here quite easily, couldn't you? Because you can see here you've got your L-shaped sofa. This is a large piece. You could easily have another table in here. You've got storage over there as well. If I turn this way, you'll see there would be potential. You could even put a dining table there, couldn't you? It's such a lovely room. And look at the view. Just stunning, isn't it? Really peaceful. It's a great size. Again, benefiting from those high ceilings, which is fab. You then come into the kitchen. Plenty of space for your freestandings. You've got your fridge and freezer. You've got your washing machine here. You've got your oven over here. Your sink at the window, which is exactly where you would put it. You'll see why in 1 second. because look at the view. Isn't it fab? Such a lovely day as well, isn't it, to be showing you this one. So that's your space here, which flows nicely into here. So you can see, if you did have a dining table in this area, you could quite easily do it and still have a lot of living space, couldn't you? I love the doors as well. Head back into the hallway. We're going to come down here, and then straight ahead is your bathroom. Just multifunction. Every piece of space has been used so tastefully. You've got your inset WC, your vanity wash hand basin, you've got your bath as well, with your thermostatic control shower, and high ceilings in here too, so it feels lovely and bright and open. It's a really great size, isn't it? And I'm just going to summarise by taking you back outside. So as we come back out the front door, you can just see the stunning views. Glorious, aren't they? Very nice indeed. And I'm just going to recap for you. So this is a personal property tour for 55 Main Street in Upper Largo. As you've seen, it's an upper apartment, 2 bedrooms, move-in condition. You've got those lovely high ceilings, some of those original features as well, the glass in the door, but just the actual flexible living that you've got as well. That second bedroom is such a large space, isn't it, with that lounge area, and the bay window as well just really opens it all up nicely. But it's in a great location, this one, as you can see. If you're into your walking, cycling and running, there's so much around here that you can do that. And also climbing the law is quite a tough one, but it's a good one to do. But you've got such a lot of outdoor availability to you. But on top of that, you're actually connected really great with the rest of Fife, because right outside you've got that communal bus routes that are taking you to St Andrews and also then into Leven. So you can access all of Fife here as well. Once you're at Leven, of course, you've then got that train station, and that's giving you those direct links to Edinburgh City Centre as well. So a real big bonus plus for you there. On top of that, if you come down the hill from here, you come into Lundin Links, and you've got so much on the doorstep there as well. So you've got Stewart's, you've also got convenience stores, you've got Willow and Plum if you're looking for some nice gift ideas. That's fantastic as well. It's a new business that's just opened. But you've got all of the areas that you can go along there as well. You've got the cafe as well. Lily's Cafe there is fabulous. So if you want to go with some friends and meet up and have a coffee, that's a great spot to do it in. But on top of that, you've also got Lundin Ladies Golf Club. You've got Lundin Links for the gents as well. You've got the access to the beach there too, and that is just such a wonderful beach. You can walk all the way along that golden sand right towards Leven as well. It's a really fabulous way to do it. Once you get to Leven, as well as having the train station I mentioned earlier, you've also got the high street giving it all of your other local amenities that you'd expect, and you've got your retail park, so you've got your big names in there as well. So it really gives you everything that you'd want. You've got an abundance of golf courses in Leven to choose from as well. And as I mentioned earlier, you've got that beautiful beach, so you can walk all the way along that promenade on that Fife Coastal Path. It's just fantastic. It is the personal property tour. All the details about the property are in the link above. If you click on that, you'll get the important information about the property and, of course, the all-important price point. But if you do think this one's of interest to you, you can message me directly. And likewise, you can reach out to the team on 01333 421 774. And it's Perry at Fife Properties TV. Feeling pretty relaxed, actually. And why wouldn't you with that view? Take care. Bye-bye.